at the last minute. Education Minister Rakkamai Sangma announced yesterday that he will assess Northeastern Hill University's underwhelming performance in the National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF) 2024 with the university's Vice-Chancellor. NEHU fell outside the top 100 universities, prompting Sangma to emphasize the need for developing a competitive mindset among tribal students. He acknowledged the ranking's room for improvement, noting that certain departments require increased momentum for growth.
We cannot sum up that education quality is coming down, but it is not true. There is always room for improvement for any institutions, for any individual, for anybody. Yes, maybe after the NEP coming in, needs time to create the momentums. There may be some department which needs to be placed in. There may be some like a department which need to be added more. So maybe in terms of quality, I would say we are second to nobody. Of course, we have our qualified professors, we have qualified teachers, we have qualified teaching faculties all around university.